What?
How do you make it longer?
Ito, dito. This one, this one.
Like, make it longer. Wait, yeah, thank you.
Yeah, it's okay now. Hey. Davao del Sur nandito. Oh, Canada.
Wow.
Look at this, bro.
Wow. So beautiful. Oh, look at the tree. Oh, whoa.
Ayun, may pa sila ako.
A bridge?
Can explore here.
Can we really actually go in here? No winter maintenance season over.
See?
Wow. Oh, ito yung
Dito kami sa ano nga par, ilog. Oh. Ganda. Ha?
So shiny.
I know. Nice. Fish in there meron?
No, I don't think so.
Ilog. Oh. Ganda. Dito, oh, wala na rito. Walang dumadaan dito eh. I think wala na dyan Inday, right?
Yeah.
Wala nang ano eh. Doon na tayo?
No, it's good there.
Okay.
There. Bro.
Alright. Let's go.
Okay. Hello, God. Oh! Oh!
Move to.
Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Flashing through
Ready?
the light. Yeah. Flashing
Alright,
through the
let's
sky.
go!
Hey, I said that way, not this way.
Yeah.
Anyway. Flashing
this way.
through the lights. Flashing through the sky. Flashing through the
Wala pang Pasko yun na yun.
I know, but I left Christmas songs. Oh, watch out. Watch out.
Oh!
Oh! So cool.
Malamig dito hindi, malamig, right?
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey, hill,
no
let us go up.
problem.
Oh, there's
The scooter is strong in there.
Oh, wow. Is it waterproof?
No, it's like
Bro.
IP66. We call it IP66.
IP? Hi, UP.
There's ano dito?
Playground. I wanna go there.
Playground?
Yeah.
Explore?
Yeah, I wanna see. Wanna see. Whoa, whoa, whoa. 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 Whoa, wow.
Playground, mga par.
Tay.
Yeah.
In the future, I'm gonna buy this scooter. If I can. Hey, I want to go to the playground. Whoa. Can I drive through grass also?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, let's park there. But I said let's park. Oh, okay, bench. So bench.
But wala na ano. Alright. Okay, ma'am. This is your destination.
Here.
Okay.
I don't need this anymore. There.
Okay. So yan. Wow. Yan lang. Wag na kayo, ano yan eh, mabuhangin. So yun, first stop, dito namin hinihintay sa ano. Ano na to, malaki to mga par, ikutin pa natin to, no. Mayroon pang pababa doon, no. And then pag wala pa, balik-balik tayo. May siso pala. Kaya lang. Wait, Inday. Yeah. Muna natin. Diba? Laking bagay pag may scooter mga pa. Nakakagala kami ni Intay. Oh. Dito lang naman to, malapit sa amin mga pa. Hmm? Ganda to Intay. May ano? Sun? Wow. What? That's it?
Oh, you have to put your feet here.
Oh yeah, it's fun. Ooh. Ah, I like this siso Inday.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Siso with Inday. Because after 10 years old, Inday will be like, no, I want that siso. I don't want that siso. I'm not a kid. Yeah.
I saw a 10-year-old playing with Barbie.
Barbie?
Yeah, in YouTube.
Oh, yeah. If you ask me, Inday, can we do a siso? No, I'm not a kid, Tay.
No, Ty. I remember when I went. You know Thompson Park?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, the seesaw there. I saw teenagers playing there.
Okay.
This
What is
so
that?
fun.
And then walang Inday, walang nagpi-play, right? Tayo lang, oh.
Yeah.
Siso, Inday, ay. Woohoo!
What if I?
Wow, galing ni Inday, ah. Wow! Nice!
What?
Good job, ah.
Learned by my friend Emma.
Oh, yeah. Nice. Try the horse, Inday. Ano?
The horsey.
Horsey, horsey.
Oh, ouch! My butt.
Yan, oh, horsey.
I can't put my feet.
Yan.
Whoa! Whoa!
Whoa!
It's actually scary.
Oh,
It's fun though.
yeah.
Imagine this snaps off.
Yeah.
Is this metal? Yeah, it's metal. Whoa!
So take your balance and then.
Ano ba
Oo,
yan, bro?
may bike pala dito.
Maybe someone parked the bike, bro.
Yeah. Yes, bro.
I think someone will steal it. I think it's.
We're gonna crash, bro.
Whoa! Woo!
Oo, ganda dito, Inday. Oh. Oh, nasa sa ilog sila, sa ilog. Right?
Whoa, this is nice.
Yeah.
Woohoo.
Wow.
Wow.
Ang ganda rito, Inday. Maybe we should go back here.
Yeah. Tomorrow.
Ha?
Yeah.
Walk lang tayo, walk.
No.
About nanay. Paano makasama si nanay? Hindi naman tayo magkasya rito eh. Ano tayo eh.
No, how about I go in front, you go in middle, Nanay goes back.
Hindi na, wala na. Pinakasya nga eh. Wala na
Yeah,
oh.
I don't see any space.
May space eh.
But it's too far away. My legs.
Oh, I can't go there, Inday.
Oh, the stairs?
Hagdanan, stairs na yan eh.
Yeah,
We should go back.
we should go back. Oh, I want wind. I'm closing my eyes right now. Oh, well, when I close my eyes, it's flickering.
What
Oh,
flickering?
whoa!
See? Pwede tayo maglaro dito ng soccer, hindi. Walang tao.
Wow.
There's nobody in here. So we
I
can...
tried to. I saw a butterfly. I saw a butterfly beside us
Oh yeah,
that was trying to race you.
butterfly?
Yeah, a butterfly.
Wait,
It's going
what?
the same speed as us in this. I don't want it to.
What is this?
There's
Here.
flies flying
Oh.
around my face. Oh wait, that's what's supposed to fly to do, because it's called a fly. Ha.
Inday, we have to get ready, Inday. We have to go there. This one.
Sorry, I think it's stairs. No, it's not.
No, it's not
Hey,
stairs.
slow down, because I
Oh.
don't want us to go. I'm scared.
Yes!
Okay.
This is...
This is the life, even though it's not relaxing.
Ah! It's relaxing, see? Oh,
Wow. The rushing of water. Oh, look at the goose. Look there. My cousins are there.
huh?
My cousins are there. Look at my cousin.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. Goose.
It's my cousin Ty.
That's your cousin?
Yeah. It's my
Wow.
cousin.
Dito pala sila, Inday. Nandun na sila.
It's my cousin.
Nagtambay sila, Inday. Nag-relax sila, oh.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, you almost hit the thing. Whoa. 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 Whoa.
Wow.
Okay.
Oh, so may playground ulit dito,
Whoa,
Inday.
Ty, look. There's a car. It's so cute. It's a mini car.
Yeah.
I want to see the playground. We saw 3 playgrounds. Oh
Where?
wait, this is not the playground.
Wow.
Oh, I want to explore that playground for a short time. If I like it, then we'll visit it tomorrow.
Okay.
Oh, big puddle. No,
Paddle.
I wanted to get a water mark.
This paddle.
Guys,
Oh, I like
I
it.
like this
I like here.
park. It's
Yeah.
big.
Yeah, me
Big
too.
like your puwet. Haha. Tay. We both have. Tay, there's a rock climbing wall.
Whoa, what?
I wanna go.
You want to try?
Yeah.
Okay.
Tay, watch me.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna vlog you, okay?
Yeah.
So we have our memories.
Tay, this is so cool.
You like it here?
Yeah,
Yeah, me too. Me too.
this is so cool. Wow.
Wow.
We stop and talk.
Park here.
And then.
Okay. Park daw kami dito mga par. Gusto daw niya to. Ayan.
Guys, I dare you to race and bike.
Oh, laki rin pala ng ano ito. Ganda rin.
I'll give you a 5 second.
Ang ganda rito mga par. Mas na-inday rito. Ang daming ano. May rock climbing po. Nice. Meron panduyan, oh.
Oh, it's hot. It's hot.
Yeah.
Actually. No, I have a question.
Ito yung tayo duyan, oh.
Dad work? Do your dad have job? No. Because all he used to be a hammock.
What? Careful.
Hammock?
Yeah.
I'm going here tomorrow.
Ha?
I'm going here tomorrow. I like it. No, this is better than the park behind STC because they have longer slides.
Yeah.
Ouch, my head.
Careful yung tayo. Wow.
I'm shaking.
Here, oh. Here. Kasi malaki dito ang ano eh, butas.
No.
Okay. Wow. Yeah. Fun, right?
I'm going home. Bye.
Woo! Woohoo!
I like this sport now.
Woohoo!
So fun.
Yeah.
Every day. Like actually every day. Not the weekends though, because I have a lot of fun in the weekends.
You have a lot of what?
I want to go here every day after school, except on the weekends, because I have a lot of fun in the weekends.
Like what?
Like play Roblox. Actually, so much fun.
Just play with Kuya Sai and
Yeah, I'm not, but
you wanna go there or
no, I'll go here.
wait no.
Bruh.
We're
Is
gonna
that the Columbia flag? Why are you going so
Oh.
windy? Let's go.
Oh yeah. It's ano na hindi. It's dead end. So we have to go
Are
back.
you kidding me? You said go there.
Go back. Oh, this is a good neighborhood in I.
I wanna live here. We're going straight down. Oh no. I'm scared.
Ready.
Don't go fast. Don't go fast, okay? Or else.
This one I'm braking.
Okay. No, Goku. You're not Goku. You're
Oh.
Goku because nobody knows who you are. Woo! Let's go. Oh no,
Oh here.
someone wrote.
You want to go here?
Someone wrote.
So
Oh,
what?
fireflies, I think. Saw a little bit of yellow. That was fireflies.
Yeah.
Ooh, ooh, yeah, you seem so cool.
Oy, natumba na yung puno inday oh. Yun oh.
Oh no. Ooh, oh no.
Mga par, pauwi na kami ni Inday.
No.
Wala na eh, na-explore na natin lahat eh. Ah, doon pa. Explore pa natin.
I wanna
Other side.
explore.
The other side.
23? This is, oh, there's someone running.
Tree what?
Jogging.
Tree.
It's a she. Ano ba yan? See her hair? I wanna explore, like, I'm like, slow running. Look at me.
Mas Inday, don't move. Oh, yung cousin mo. Yan oh.
Oh, hi, cousin. Hi, cousin.
Ducky.
They're drinking water? Okay.
Yeah.
Ducky.
Of course, they're
Quack,
thirsty.
quack, quack, quack. You're a
They're
duck.
thirsty, Inday. They are
this?
thirsty.
What is that? I don't know what
Dog.
park. Dog park. Yeah, it's a dog. I'm stretching my hands. Oh, what's a little doggy? Oh, so cute. I wanna pet him. Oh. I
Yes.
see purple things. I don't know what is that. Oh, it's a school.
Ah, this is
Nah.
oh, this is school Inday. That's why.
This is school. That's why. Oh. Oh, it's a doggy. It's a doggy. Oh, that's a dog. Hi. Be careful. There's others. Oh, it's a doggy. It's a doggy. Oh, nice. I like dogs. Yeah, that's a school. In front of a park. I think it's the school's park. I don't know. Look at this thing.
There we go. Go home Inday ha.
Huh?
Wala na eh.
No. It's so much fun.
Wala na. So much fun. Naikot na natin lahat eh.
Elliot! I'm leaving!
No, I want to explore the other things. Near our house. Oh, our house apartment. Near our house apartment. I said! Go back! How's it making it sound like? explore things that are near our house apartment, I said.
Doon lang tayo, paikot-ikot na lang tayo doon sa apartment natin.
Yeah. Like, go around the neighborhood.
Ayan.
Whoa, it's so
Okay na.
windy! I like the windiness. Please, can you make it better? Whoa! Tay,
Pauwi na kami mga par.
Tay, can I...
Yeah?
Can it go up to 100?
Ha?
Can it go up to 100? This one? Ooh, Tay, go slow on this one. Go slow on this one, please.
Yeah, don't move.
Oh. Why do I smell
Ooh,
barbecue?
Yeah. Barbecue yata sila Inday.
Whoa.
Oh, they have a-
Whoa. Da-da-dun, da-da-dun-dun-dun. Hello, river again. Ba-da-dun, ba-da-da-da-dun,
Ready?
ba-da-da-da-dun.
This is
Yeah.
uphill.
Ba-da-da-da-da-dun. Whoa. Ba-da-dun, ba-da-da-da-dun, ba-da-da-da-dun. Whoa, whoa. Oh, this is the thing again. Whoa, whoa. Is that flowers? Oh, so cute. So beautiful.
Ah.
Whoa.
Okay.
We're going back to our house apartment.
Yeah.
Yes, we can go around the neighborhood. Whoa, hello, puddle. Oh, that was so cool. A
Good to see you.
cool splash. It was like
Ako,
like that. It was like pretend this is
So,
my
yun.
teacher.
ano yung dulo mga par? Dulo na to, dulo.
Wow, wow. Oh, Tay, look at the
Dulo.
grass. Oh.
So, yun mga par, dito na kami sa bahay. And linisan natin tong ano mga par. Footer natin. Bago natin ipasok. Ayan, diba?